Uzalo is renewed for season 12. For season 11, uyaphela kuleli viki eliqalayo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 23rd to the 27th of February 2026 on Monday. Nkunzi is arrested for robbing Mebank Depot. Madongwe and Sbu tend to prayer on Tuesday. Kazemulo holds a life-altering secret and Gwamashu wakes up to Nkunzi's arrest. On the other side of town, Nonga is forced to make a deal with the devil, or we should say the devil's mentor, on Wednesday. As the bail hearing intensifies, the My Hero Award kicks off swimmingly with one uncouth character ascending himself to an invisible throne. Joanne is discharged from hospital on Thursday. Lily's Alice turn on her when she needs them the most, but are trying to steal the limelight at the awards, and in tears, Prince Past comes knocking on Friday. Geja calls Nkazimulo out for being a horrible grandson who doesn't deserve Nkunzi as a grandfather. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.